If snail mucin didn't work for you, this might be why. 1. You're either allergic to dust mites, or 2. You're using the product wrong. So I finally gave the JUMISO Snail Mucin a try after seeing my friend Casper's skin go from this to this, and this thing is amazing. And this is how much my acne faded within a few days. But there's a few things you need to know to properly apply and add snail mucin into your skincare routine. Number 1, you want to apply this on damp skin, not dry skin. So after cleansing, apply your toner and then apply your snail mucin. But number 2, if you're using an active ingredient like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide, etc., the active ingredient will come before the snail mucin. And unlike other snail mucin, the JUMISO Snail Mucin is safe for acne-prone skin and has 5 types of peptides, which will also help with your collagen production. It's been clinically proven to show an improved skin texture, and it's also got vitamin C and SPF to protect and treat sun damage. And a lot of people think that to make snail mucin, the snails are harmed, but actually, the snails are just roaming around a small enclosed room, and they just scrape the slime afterwards. So there's no actual harming in the process. And if you want to try it out, currently they're having a promotion on YesStyle, so make sure to grab one before it's all sold out. Follow for more beauty tips. Bye!